teeth whitening at home. Safe, effective, and budget friendly methods. Now, a bright, confident smile can make a big difference in personal and professional life. But with daily exposure to coffee, tea, tobacco, and certain foods, teeth can easily become stained or discolored. While professional whitening treatments at the dentist are effective, they can also be expensive. Fortunately, there are several safe and effective ways to whiten your teeth at home. Here is a detailed look at how to do teeth whitening at home, the methods that work, and safety tips to protect your enamel and gums. Let's start. The number one is why teeth actually become yellow. So, before jumping into the whitening process, it's helpful to understand what causes the tooth discoloration. External stains caused by foods and drinks like tea, coffee, red wine, and smoking. Internal discoloration. Now, that is due to aging, medications, or trauma. Poor oral hygiene, accumulation of plaque and tartar over time. Number two is effective home remedies for whitening. Let us talk about those one by one. The number one is baking soda and hydrogen peroxide paste. How it works. Baking soda is mildly abrasive and helps scrub away surface stains, while hydrogen peroxide act as a natural bleaching agents. How to use? Mix 1 tablespoon or teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of hydrogen peroxide to make a paste. Brush for around 1 to 2 minutes, 2-3 times a week. Caution. Now, do not use daily as it can wear down your enamel. Let us talk about number two, which is coconut oil pulling. How it works. Oil pulling removes bacteria and plaque, which can contribute to yellowing. How to use. Swish 1 tablespoon coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes daily. Now then, spit it out and rinse. Let us talk about number three, which is activated charcoal. How it works. The porous texture binds to stains and toxins. How to use. Wet your toothbrush and dip it into activated charcoal powder. Rub gently for 2 minutes, once or twice a week. Caution. Too much use can erode your enamel. So make sure that you avoid excess of using it. Number D, which is the apple cider vinegar in a diluted form. How to use? You can use it by acting as a mild bleach and kills bacteria. You can use by diluting 1 part of apple cider vinegar with 3 parts of water. Swish for 30 seconds. Rinse well, use sparingly, that is, once a week. Number E is the whitening toothpaste and strips. Over-the-counter solutions, whitening toothpaste and strips with mild bleach or abrasives are convenient and improved for home use. Look for ADA, American Dental Association seal for safety and effectiveness. Foods that naturally whiten your teeth. Crunchy fruits and vegetables, apples, carrots, and celery helps remove the plaque. Strawberries contain malic acid, which can help whiten your teeth. Pineapple and papaya. Enzymes in these foods may reduce the stains. Habits that help maintain white teeth. Brush twice daily and floss regularly. Avoid stain-causing foods, drinks, or rinse your mouth after consuming them. Use a straw when drinking tea, coffee, or soda to limit the contact with the teeth. Quit smoking to prevent deep yellowing. Safety tips to remember. Avoid overuse of whitening products to prevent the enamel damage. And do not use lemon juice or harsh acids on teeth directly because they can erode the enamel. Consult a dentist before starting any new whitening treatment, especially if you have sensitive teeth or existing dental issues. Foods that actually and help naturally whiten your teeth. These foods include cheese and yogurt, high in calcium and lactic acid, which may strengthen your enamel. Broccoli acts like a natural brush while chewing and is rich in iron to protect your enamel. Watermelon, its high malic acid content helps remove the stains. Raisins, chewing the stimulates saliva flow, which naturally cleans your teeth. Pro tips to maximize whitening results. Brush with a soft bristle toothbrush to avoid enamel wear. Use a remineralizing mouthwash, which is fluoride or hydroxyapatite to restore the enamel strength after whitening. Now, Another one is drink water with mints to wash away staining substances, and choose sugar-free gum to stimulate salama production, which help to protect your teeth. So teeth whitening at home is entirely possible by using safe and natural remedies. Avoid or always prioritize oral health and be cautious not to damage your enamel in the process. A brightest smile is just a few steps away with the right care and habits. So thanks for watching the video, and if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel for more such content for health and wellness.